The ring row is a very common movement we use for beginners and even for all of our programs, even for advanced folks. And it's a very simple exercise that we could use for pulling backwards. And we'll go through some faults towards the end. So first, making sure that the strap in the ring is sturdy, that you're sure that it's not going to break off and you'll fall backwards. And we're going to pull your body up and your elbow slightly bent to create tension on the band, and we'll slowly step forward to the point where we do feel some tension, but it's not too challenging to start off with. So we're slowly letting our body fall back. That's the end position. And from there, we are pulling our elbows back and trying to engage our back muscles for the ring row. So keeping our body nice and straight. Now to make it more challenging, and we do have a slick surface here, so we'll put a plate that has a lot of friction. It's rubber. That's one way to start slowly making it more challenging, where you are pulling up more of your body weight. So if you cannot control this tempo, that's a clear indicator where you might need to step back and make it a little bit more easy when you're doing these movements. So I'm actually looking upwards because my body is at this angle, trying to keep my neck nice and straight. So the legs are active, my glutes are active, the abs are active. That is a fault that we see sometimes. So let's go back to that. So nice and controlled. Those are good reps. A fault we see is where you fling forward and you can see the bands are loosening up, and I'm actually standing all the way at the top. And at this position, there is no real engagement. Your muscles aren't really working. So for the exercises, we want to be able to feel the exercise. So flinging yourself up and dropping really fast is a fault that we see. That's the ring row for you guys.